The host dives into a 5-minute pantry-friendly meal with a warm smile, outlining a simple plan for a crave-worthy dish. They cook a creamy tomato pasta using pantry staples while suggesting substitutions like swapping cream for yogurt and adding a splash of starchy pasta water for silky texture. Quick hacks flash on screen as they mention pre-chopped veg, doubled spices, and keeping a few jars ready for instant flavor boosts. The guide shows how to prep ahead components and toss in versatile toppings to fit any schedule or craving. Enthusiasm remains high as viewers see each step become doable and are invited to tailor flavors to their own pantry and mood.